I am Professor Dr. Shyam Bihari Lal Tripathi. I am principal, ex-principal, professor and Department of Higher Education, Government of Rajasthan. But from last 20 years, I am running Higher Educational Institute, one in Haryana, Jind, named BCMET Institute, and second is Rajasthan. And in UP, there are 3-4 institutes which I am running for the welfare of society as the charitable work. My work is to stimulate the higher education for the welfare of society. Our main motto that all scholars should gain higher education. In my view, graduate, BA is the primary education. So I am saying that everyone should come to this institute, upliftment for UG, PG, technical program, diplomas, BTech, MTech, ITI, Master of Computer Applications, Master of Business Administration, and PhD also. Because if you go in higher education, then only PhD is essentially required to upliftment for this UGC norms. If you are once PhD, then in assistant professor you can become associate professor. So first of all, for assistant professor, if you are PhD, then you can be appointed in higher education learning institute, in government college, government university, private college, private university, and other institute of higher education and learning. Our main motto is to develop the skill development of the students, and the main object of this institute to qualify, and we are committed to provide total student satisfaction through focus of complete quality of computer education, management education, technical educational programs, and other professional educational programs, vocational educational programs, all type of educational programs we are running in this institute. So visit this institute once, and you should enjoy, you should develop your qualification, you should increase your qualification, so that you will be much more beneficial for the welfare of society, for welfare of yourself, and for welfare of your family also. Your name and fame will pay a lot to you. My good wish is that you can see my numbers, which is given on this. My numbers are given, so you can come to the 30 Housing Board Jind and meet me. I can give you other more informations, and I can guide you. I can give you the counseling. I can give you the admission in various disciplines for which you can earn a lot. I am sure that education is the supreme aspect of the human life. No person is far beyond from the education. So got higher education. Without education, education is the important key which you can become the lion. Such as the lion in the forest once came, everybody will walk up. And if you certainly think that you are saying something else, your impact will be there on the subject matter. You are fully qualified. You can do much better for the welfare of society and yourself also. I mean to say, in theme, at last, I am saying one thing, that visit this institute, 30 Housing Board Jind once, and meet me, so that you can convince me what I want to say and what your skill development I can do for you. So these all things which cannot be given on this small escapes time. So give some more time to me, listen to me carefully, come to this institute and enjoy with me, and you will be happy and successful in your life. Last lines for William Shakespeare, I am saying one thing. A man or woman would do nothing if he or she waited that until he or she could do it so well that no one can find fault with what he has done. So this is the theme of my topic. Keep good comradeship, and work with love, without preconceived ideas. You will be happy and successful in your life. You should meet me and you will be happy forever. Okay, good luck. Goodbye.